Hello there, it's Elil the Marvel and today is Credit Card Talks. So, it's been a while since I uploaded my last video, but today pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba makapag-withdraw ng cash or makapag-cash advance gamit yung mga credit cards ninyo. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po, the moment that you have your credit cards already or once napadala na yung card ninyo, ang gagawin nyo lang is mag-secure ng PIN number. So, here in the Philippines, generally, ang ginagawa ng mga banks is pinapadala yung PIN number automatically. Means, meron din mga banks na kailangan mo siyang i-generate online. Si for example, Citibank. Meron namang mga banks na pinapadala siya, as mentioned earlier, let's say for example, BPI. So, pinapadala siya 7 to 10 business days once your card is already activated. And meron din mga cards na kailangan mo talagang tumawag to request it over the phone because it requires a verbal disclosure. So, the moment that you have your PIN number, pwede ka na makapag-withdraw sa kahit saang ATM. Same lang siya sa mga regular savings natin, sa mga debit cards natin. So, saksak mo lang yung card and then piliin mo lang yung withdrawal or cash withdrawal and then piliin mo yung cash advance or credit card cash advance. And then, lagay mo lang yung PIN number mo and then yung desired amount mo and that's it. You should be able to withdraw cash or do cash advances. Now, lagi ko pinapa-remind sa mga previous videos ko na as much as possible kung kaya nyo kung kaya nyo hindi mag-cash advance, gawin nyo siya kasi medyo pricey. Meron siyang fee, cash advance fee, and then pag nag-withdraw ka sa ibang banks, there's gonna be an additional fee on top of cash advance fee. So, yun lamang po. I hope that you learned something about this video. Again, this is Elil the Marvel. Have a great day. Bye! Mana.